tree, guys. Hopefully my camera's picking up well for you. Cattle grids, you have to be careful. Pop your tires. There you go. Look at that, lads. It's not terrible weather today. But yeah, this is a 2 litre diesel, guys, 177 horsepower. I've changed the tires on it all around, so that's why I've decided to do this video today. Now this is a heavy car, so you can't take the corners too fast. That's what I've learned, guys. So yeah, it's got a lot of torque and low end power, as you can see. It just flies through here. Look at that, lads. Oh yeah, the brakes aren't the best on this car because it's got stock brakes, but it's a heavy car. This car should have come with a big brake kit. Even the M Sport version doesn't have a big brake kit. Even though M Sport's just a design thing. So yeah, this area is called Singing Tree, guys. Oh, we got another cattle grid, guys. Slow it down. If you hit them at high speed, you will pop your tires, guys. That's the purpose of them, guys, to stop you from fucking around, guys. Just put my foot down. Look at that build up, guys. Uphill as well. Yeah, you need to be careful on these roads. They're very bumpy, so one big bump will send you onto the other side of the road. So you have to be very careful of that. Easy, my car's going dush. So this road will give you a test of your suspensions very well. As you can see, it's a 60 road, so you can do quite good speeds here. And look at the views, guys. You've got a nice little beautiful viewing point. You can park your cars here, this, that, everywhere. Very nice place. At night though, this road is a death trap. There's no lights, no nothing. Come on, lad. Alright, we'll go right. Bloody hell, come on, lad. I wouldn't say it's a fun car because it's quite heavy, but you can have fun in it. I've found out if you lock the car like full lock to the left or right, even with full traction control on and everything, with brand new tires, you can still spin the back end out very easily with half a throttle, as I found out the hard way, guys. So that's why BMWs are a bit dangerous in the rain and stuff, rear wheel drive ones. But yeah, I wasn't expecting it to lose grip that easily. Maybe I'll show you one day. But yeah, it's very easy to lose grip on these cars, guys. Put me lights on. There you go, guys. You can see some more lights. Look at the pickup, guys. Very fast pickup. And this is one hell of a beast of a monster, guys. But yeah, you have to brake early on this car because brakes, like I said, it's a heavy car and the brakes aren't the best. So yeah, if I was gonna keep this car for a very long time, that's what I'd do. I'd get a big crate on this car. But yeah, the fuel, oh yeah, this corner is bad. There's a really bad corner here where the house is like sticking out. You'll have to see it somewhere. We'll see guys, we'll see. But yeah, you got nice views here. Can you see guys? So we got windmills, nice hills, very beautiful area guys. It's a good road to drive on. I would have took you on Blackburn Road, but it collapsed like a long time ago, like a few months ago, and it's going to take them a year to rebuild it, I mean, which is not good. Alright laddies, slow down lads, it's dirty. Okay. So you got some decent houses around here, big houses down here. Here's like the posher area. Then you got Wake Up, which isn't the best area, but you know, you can find cheap house in there. Yeah, look at these houses guys. Yeah, this car is really good on fuel by the way guys. Look at that, we're averaging 41 miles per gallon. Doing what? Putting my foot down this start. I've seen this car get about 60-70 when you're on motorway roads, so it's not bad at all for a 2-litre diesel. Roads. This is all downhill from here guys, so this will refill my fuel. If you watch my fuel range, you'll keep going up and up and up. Why these guys stop here for the truck? Oh shit, these lights, pretty decent lights then. Along here pretty much. Hello my love. Okay. My range is going up guys, my fuel range. Look at this guy overtaking. Oh yes lad, that was a safe overtake guys, very good, very nice. I'd say it was pretty safe. So yeah, it's a really good engine this. As long as you maintain it, it's a pretty decent engine. It's got enough torque. You can remap it as well if you want more power, more torque and power. But I'd recommend the economy map, not a power map, because the injectors on these cars are a bit problematic if you push too much power through. So yeah, I'd recommend eco map if you're gonna do anything. I'm gonna keep mine stock because I want a reliable car, and this is a family car. It's a fat car anyway, so I'm not asked about power and stuff. It's got a decent amount for me. So this is the problem, guys. Traffic everywhere. It's lunchtime, so we do expect some traffic. Oh yeah, as soon as you enter the towns and stuff, you're gonna get heavy traffic. Let's make a turn in here, guys. Let's park up right here, guys. Alright, lads. What do you think, lads? Nice car, isn't it? I'd say it's pretty decent. If I do anything in the future, you'll see videos on it. POV videos, stuff like that. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Watch my other videos. There'll be a lot more videos coming out. And yeah, we've got some new cars coming as well, so you'll see them. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, guys.